best known for their entertainment performances.
So it's a very sweet reception to a film like this. Of course, we have all worked hard.
They have worked on a recent movie streaming on Hotstar.
To preserve, you can say, a sense of the innocence or the purity of the script.
Music's India A-list proudly recognizes Amol Parashar and Vishesh Bhatt for excellence in entertainment.
Hello and welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this special interview as part of our News X A-list series. We're in conversation today with actor Amol Parashar and producer Vishesh Bhatt. They are getting a lot of positive feedback for their latest film Cash, which is streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. Welcome both of you and thank you and congratulations on all the response.
Thank you so much, Uday. We are quite humbled by all the love so far.
Absolutely, and let's hope it keeps pouring in. But let's begin with that, Amol. You know how it feels getting the positive response from the critics, the audiences. What's the best compliment you've received so far?
I think all of it. I don't want to choose one. I'm sure it'll be difficult also to choose one, but I also don't want to choose one because it's generally the whole vibe that has been very reassuring, very pleasant, very positive from everyone. You know, my parents are loving it. My younger cousins are loving it.
Yeah.
Anybody who's seen the film so far is loving it. My dad is coming to me and telling me कि देखो मैंने पूरा इंटरनेट पे देखा मुझे तो कोई बुरा बोलने वाला नहीं मिला इस फिल्म के लिए. So it's a very sweet reception to a film like this. Of course, we have all worked hard and we have some confidence. कि हाँ, the script is great. Yes, we have great technicians. We have great support from our producers. But still, वो एक थोड़ा तो होता है ना कि यार पता नहीं क्या होगा, पता नहीं कैसा रिएक्शन आएगा. वो एक नर्वसनेस होता है. It's my first film as the primary face of the film. Vishesh's first film as a solo producer. Rishabh's first film as a director. हम सब ने काम किया है पहले. ऐसा नहीं है कि काम ही नहीं किया है. डेब्यू नहीं है. But still, like वो responsibility सब as a producer विशेष के ऊपर है, director ऋषभ के ऊपर है, as probably in terms of faces that people want to see वो आपके ऊपर है. And I think all of us have and Smriti's debut in a film.
Yeah.
So I think all of us are very relieved. First आपको relief होता है.
बिल्कुल.
Oh, कि चलो बुरा नहीं लगा. Then you're like अरे यार अच्छा लग रहा है. Then you're like अरे यार काफी लोग सबको अच्छा लग रहा है. So far I think whoever has seen the film has taken positively to it.
Yeah.
The graph is still moving upwards, as you're saying. Vishesh, what do you believe it's the one or two factors are that's really clicked with this project, with the audiences? What's been the USP that you believe has worked well for you? And also, is it reassuring for you as a producer that you did back a subject like this? And as Amol was saying, it was a lot of responsibility on your shoulder because it was, the first solo film you were backing and producing in this manner.
Yeah, I mean, for me, it was, I think it's quite heartening that this has happened is because it's the solo production and the way I wanted to approach it. I've self-funded it, which is kind of a rarity you see nowadays. I mean, there are multiple producers, plus there are studios and platforms and everything. So I went about doing this project in a certain way because I wanted to preserve, you can say, a sense of the innocence or the purity of the script and the team.
Yeah.
And starting with, I started a new brand as a company which can promote narratives with a newer team from a younger audience or a younger protagonist's perspective. I think that aspect of the startup entrepreneur and his view of this new India is what I wanted to talk about as this new brand that I'm bringing, but starting with this narrative.
Films are often inspired by real life events, Amol. So do you mind, this is something as Vishesh was saying that everyone has gone through in India, and everyone has dealt with in some way or the other. So is that also you think working कि लोग इससे बीत चुके हैं तो मजा भी आता है क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं शायद वो चीजें उनकी जिंदगी में हुई है जो आप दिखा रहे हो.
Correct. I didn't मैं ऐसे सोचा नहीं था करते हुए of course demonetization पता था सबको, but I think it's the first time when I saw people watching it and enjoying it across ages and social class and whatever. Everybody who kind of saw the film took something from it, or or found it, if not five jokes funny, but तीन चार सबको अपने अपने jokes मिल गए. And that was when I realized here actually may when you're looking for a topic for a
Yeah.
film or a show, you're looking for, maybe when you're looking for relatability कि यार ये चीज कितने लोगों के साथ हुई होगी या ये कितने लोगों ने फील की होगी.
Mhm.
And suddenly I realized कि one second, the demonetization, which is one of the which is the starting point of this film, and a lot of situations arise out of that, actually में इस देश के हर इंसान ने experience किया.
Mhm.
That is one thing that everybody experienced, whether
Yeah.
good, bad, indifferent, सबने कुछ ना कुछ पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस किया है, या अपने आसपास देखा है, या सुना है, या वो बातें सुनी है. और
आपने भी किया होगा, आपने भी किया होगा.
मैंने भी किया, मतलब इन द सेंस दैट एटलीस्ट बातें तो हुई.
Yeah.
मतलब उस रात मुझे लगता है कि 80% इंडिया जागा हुआ ही था पूरी रात, बिकॉज सब समझ रहे थे. जिनको समझ नहीं आता था वो समझ रहे थे, जिनको समझ में आ गया था दिन, और अगर उनके पास था तो वो उनकी कैलकुलेशन शुरू हो गई थी कि अभी क्या करना है. और शायद जिनके पास उतना नहीं था, पर थोड़ा सा था, लेकिन there were also
Legal भी था.
the people who get paid in
Yeah.
that in cash,
Yeah.
and for them to even figure out कि हो क्या रहा है, हम क्या करें, कहाँ जाएं. Some of them don't have bank accounts.
Yeah.
So ऐसा I think उस रात मेरी theory, मजाक में मैं बोलता था, my parents were in Bombay और हम लोग बैठ के डिस्कस कर रहे थे, जबकि हमें बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था. And both my parents were government servants, तो उनका था कि यार हमारा क्या है, हमारा तो ऑलरेडी हिसाब किताब सब सरकार ही करती है और सरकार ने किया हुआ है. But still we were up till long because this was almost like
ATM lines.
हाँ, and even it
withdraw
was almost
करने
like
के
an
लिए पैसे नहीं
earthquake.
थे. हमारे पास डिजिटल
बाहर
नहीं थी.
बाइकों पे, गाड़ियों में बाहर निकले हुए लोग, और it was almost like the whole country was awake trying to
Yeah.
understand this little shake that had happened. It was almost like an earthquake, and then you stay up for some time कि क्या हुआ, डरते ही ली. And for the rest, and then the next few days,
Yeah.
all the theories, all
Exactly. And then the lines,
all
the
the
pictures, the
lines,
lines,
all
and,
the
I covered it.
stories.
I covered it personally as well, so I remember that very clearly. But just quickly talking, to you, a quick follow-up question, Amol, and then I'll get in Vishesh again on OTT as well, because I mean your film is released on OTT at a time when cinemas are also reopening, but OTT obviously still has its audience because your film is doing very well. There are many other releases also on other OTT platforms which are doing well as well. एंड आपने भी दौर देखा है, जैसे आप ग्राफ के बारे में बात करें, आपने भी ओटीटी का दौर देखा है. वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट ओरिजिनल ओटीटी स्टार्स, before everyone came into OTT. So
Before
tell us
there was
about
no
this
word
graph
like
of OTT, and where do you believe it's going to go now next?
I'm sorry, I butted in between, but I was just saying that as a joke. I say that when I did my first web show or web series, हम लोग को OTT वर्ड भी नहीं पता था. मतलब ये था ही नहीं. 2016 में OTT वर्ड नहीं था. It was a web series. Web series माने कहाँ है कि YouTube mostly or TVF Play had its own platform, but लोग mostly honestly YouTube पे ही देखते थे. And then other OTT platforms, other platforms, एक दो करके धीरे एक भीड़ हुई. It's almost like जैसे हमें demonetization का मतलब नहीं पता था जब तक demonetization हुआ नहीं. So but I could sense it because I experienced it personally. I had heard कि हाँ there had been 1-2 shows that this same company TVF had made already. Friends had experienced it, but जब मैंने खुद experience किया, तो मुझे समझ में आया कि ये कहाँ तक पहुंच रहा है. Because the kind of people that my work was reaching to, the kind of appreciation it was getting, was something that I had not imagined. Even after knowing कि हाँ my friends had become famous, उसके बाद भी मुझे लगा कि यार नहीं ये बहुत deep जा रहा है वो. And it was, I think, striking at a part of audience that had been completely untapped. And why? And it was untapped because of what Vishesh was saying, that there was a lot of assumption कि यार ऑडियंस को ये मत दो, ये उनको समझ नहीं आएगा, या ये मत बनाओ, ये रिस्की है, या अरे वो चलता है वही बनाते हैं. सो वो ऑडियंस है, वो वाला ऑडियंस भी है जो आपको लग रहा है कि है. लेकिन एक बहुत ही ग्रोइंग नंबर ऑफ ऑडियंस लास्ट 10-15 साल में बना. एंड माय थियरी इज आल्सो बिकॉज अभी आपके चैनल इंटरनेट आ गया, अभी बाहर का कंटेंट देख रहे हैं लोग. यंग लोग कॉलेज में बैठ के इंग्लिश शोज देख रहे हैं. मैं कॉलेज में बैठ के बाहर के शोज देख रहा था. सो योर सेंसिबिलिटीज हैव सडनली यू नो डाइवर्ज्ड, वो अलग ही डायरेक्शन में निकल गई. सो वो जो एक बहुत बड़ा जनरेशन है या बहुत बड़ा सेक्शन ऑफ दिस कंट्री है, उसको कोई देख ही नहीं रहा था. वो लग रहा है वो बेचारे बाहर के शोज देख रहे हैं और ग्रिप कर रहे हैं कि हमारे यहाँ क्यों नहीं बनता.
Now they're tapping into that generation.
Now I think they are getting tapped into, and that was why they took to it so fast. So because suddenly उनको लगा कि हाँ यार मेरे को अपनी कहानियां देखने को मिल रही हैं in my language. This is like my story. This has happened to me. वो फिल्म देखते थे, रिलेटेबिलिटी. फिल्म देख के लगता था यार मेरे साथ तो नहीं होता है कि मैं घूसा मारता हूँ 4 लोग उड़ जाते हैं. या वो टीवी देखते थे तो उनको लगता है मेरे साथ तो नहीं होता है कि बचपन में शादी हो जाती है और फिर 4 बार शादी हो जाती है.
So we've completely run out of time, but I want to get into Vishesh for a quick last word on what do you believe? Are you now sensing what your genre will be? You know, we all know Mukesh Bhatt's genre, we all know Mahesh Bhatt's genre. Are you now sensing what Vishesh Bhatt wants to do, what his genre will be?
I think, I've been part of that narrative for quite some time, and I did a film called Jannat, then I did a Murder 3, which was a little different from the other murders. But I've tried to do something new always, you know, something that is pushing the envelope of the mainstream more than the art house. And I would say, you know, what is my amazing understanding of what has happened this, and this is the first time I've gone to a film which this was also supposed to be theatrical, other films which are supposed to be theatrical, quite a few big films which are still was supposed to be theatrical are now still being announced that are going directly to OTT, right? But what I've experienced for the first time is that the weekend and the Tuesday or the Wednesday we're talking today, we would have been just talking about, and the entire world would be talking about the numbers at the box office. But what has happened with OTT is because it's accessible instantly at the convenience to so many people. What surprises me is that just within a day or two, I had people all over in my housing society and various people who had already consumed the film. You know, they could have probably not made the time to go to the theater otherwise, but they could easily access it. And it's surprising because a film of this size also, the limited screens it would have been there. But the amount of people who end up watching it so quickly is a great.
So that's a call that you're going to have to take. You know, which is a film that's meant for which medium, because all the mediums are coexisting now. Okay, we're going to have to leave it at that. This is a conversation I think that can keep going. But we've run out of time. But thank you very much, Amol Parashar and Vishesh Bhatt for joining us.
Thank you.
Let's hope you keep getting love for cash. Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.